Mendeleev's periodic table. How did Mendeleev organize his periodic table? In 1869, the Russian chemist and teacher Dmitry Mendeleev published a table of the elements. He wrote the properties of each element on a separate note card. This approach allowed him to move the cards around until he found an organization that worked. The organization he chose was a periodic table. Elements in a periodic table are arranged into groups based on a set of repeating properties. Mendeleev arranged the elements in his periodic table in order of increasing atomic mass. Mendeleev arranged elements with similar properties in the same row. Notice the two question marks between zinc and arsenic. Here's zinc and here's arsenic right here. We've got question marks here. We don't know what they are. Mendeleev left these spaces in his table because he knew that bromine belonged with chlorine and iodine. He predicted that elements would be discovered to fill in those spaces, and he predicted what their properties would be based on their location on the table. And the elements between zinc and arsenic were gallium and germanium, which were discovered in 1875 and 1886, respectively. There was a close match between the predicted properties and the actual properties of these elements. This match helped convince scientists that Mendeleev's periodic table was a powerful tool. Try this for yourself. Why was Mendeleev's periodic table an improvement over Dobereiner's triad classification system and earlier systems? Ready? Mendeleev's periodic table could encompass all known elements and accurately predict existence and properties of undiscovered elements. So if you're able to accurately predict something, that's pretty cool.